Hi everybody, it's Joe from Lucas, and I got a special guest today, Emillio Ortiz, a small business owner down in Colorado Springs, 503 West. We got to go there and eat. Asian Fusion, outstanding restaurant, but more importantly, the president of the Bartending Guild. He's come up to help us.
Absolutely. Thank you, Joe, for having me.
Absolutely. This is going to be fun today. We're going to make some cocktails, and I thought we'd do something different, right? We got the holidays here. We want something that's going to be snowing too today. We need something warm. What can we make that's warm? We're going to start out with a blended Scotch by H&M. It's interesting. Some people maybe have never seen this brand. This is a great brand. So, Emillio, I'm going to turn it over to you, but let me do this first. Let's talk about the notes on this guy. This is a great drinker. Right out of the gate, you could drink this. No problem, easy. And it's only $29.99. So it's an inexpensive bottle, but really high quality product. When you come right on that nose, you're going to get tropical fruit, vanilla, honey. I mean, it's just really soft and pretty right on the top. A little ginger spice, some earth, caramel. I mean, it's just, I love it this way. However, we're going to take this awesome alcohol and we're going to make ourselves, what are we making?
We're going to make a hot old-fashioned, basically.
Ooh, a hot old-fashioned. Yeah. Let's go.
All right, let's do it. So our first step, guys, is we're going to add some sugar. Right now, we're going to be using Demerara sugar. You can find white sugar at any of your local restaurants. Pretty simple to find. Next is going to be your Angostura bitters, which is going to be common in all old-fashions. We're going to do 3 dashes of that. And
excellent.
Since we're making a warm old-fashioned, we're going to add a little bit of hot water to kind of, break apart that sugar. And then we're going to muddle that, okay?
So not a lot, just a
little bit. And it'll break that sugar apart right away.
Oh, that was pretty quick.
Yeah. And you can muddle it within the glass. You don't need to get too fancy with it. You can also use simple syrup, you guys. That's just a 1-to-1 ratio of water to sugar. And it should be just fine. The reason why I like Demerara is it adds a little bit of caramel flavor to it as well. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get that done and over with. The next important ingredient is going to be, of course, the star of the show right here. Okay, so we're going to go 2 ounces on this guy. And again, it's okay to build within the glass. That's pretty common. And then we're going to just stir that back up.
So we got a little bit of warmth from the water, a little sweetness from the sugar, a little bitters.
Absolutely.
A little bit of blended Scotch. Ooh, it's looking delish.
And we're on the right path here. So what we're going to do is we're going to just top this back off with some hot water.
Okay.
And then?
Now we just double the water? Is that what you did there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can add as much water as you want to kind of dilute it. But really what you want to do is you want to be able to taste this wonderful Scotch. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to just garnish it with a nice Luxardo cherry. And then, if you want, you can also add some orange notes, which I like with any whiskey or Scotch profiles. So what we're going to do is you can use a white peeler or you can cut it with a knife. We're going to just, express that over there. And
so a little bit of the spray got in there.
Yeah, exactly. So you want the oils, you want that smell when you go up to drink the cocktail itself. And we'll just drop that in. And then there you guys go.
Oh, don't put it over there.
Oh,
Let's
sorry.
see. We got to check this out, don't we? Ooh, that's delicious. Oh, that's outstanding. What it is, it's really soft. It's super easy to drink. I could see sitting out by the fire pit, smoking a cigar and having one of these.
Absolutely.
That's outstanding. Hey, thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Hey, remember, always, thanks for shopping at Lucas. 1 bottle at a time. We truly appreciate your business. You guys have an amazing holiday.